Groundfloor Robo-advisor next review, watch before using. Groundfloor is a real estate investment platform that lets everyday investors fund short property loan, earning interest in return. Unlike traditional crowdfunding Groundfloor platform operates as a real estate debit marketplace. You're acting more like a lender than an owner. Investment starts at just $10, making it one of the most accessible entry points into a real estate. The loans are graded with A to G based on risk, and you choose which ones to fund. User reports that the interface is intuitive and transparent. The grading systems help gauge risk, and return typically range from 8 to 12%. However, patience is required. Repayment can be delayed, especially if the property sells late or goes into a foreclosure. Still, many investors may say this platform is upfront about this risk. The monthly update and notification on loan status are on a strong point, helping users to stay informed. It's particularly among people looking for a diversification outside the stock market. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform and your experience with them. Thanks.